So, robots are machines designed to perform tasks automatically or through programmed instructions. They can range from simple mechanical arms to, complex humanoid figures. Their development has totally transformed industries and daily life. The word robot actually originated from the 1920 play RUR, or Rossum's Universal Robots, by Karel Čapek. It comes from the Czech word robota, which means forced labor. Since then, the concept of robots has really expanded all over the world. Robots can be classified into various types based on their function. Industrial robots, service robots, medical robots, and even entertainment robots all serve unique purposes. Each type has specific features suited for its tasks. Robots can be classified into various types based on their function. Industrial robots, service robots, medical robots, and even entertainment robots each serve unique purposes. Each type has specific features suited for its tasks. Industrial robots, really dominate manufacturing and assembly lines. They handle repetitive tasks like welding, painting, and product packaging. This boosts efficiency while cutting down on human error. Medical robots also play a huge part, assisting in surgeries, diagnostics, and patient care. Robotic arms can actually perform super precise surgical operations, going beyond what human steadiness allows. And innovations like robotic exoskeletons are making a difference by helping with patient rehabilitation. Service robots are now working in homes, offices, and public spaces. For example, we've got robotic vacuum cleaners, customer service bots, and automated delivery drones. These robots are all about simplifying everyday tasks. Humanoid robots, on the other hand, are designed to look and act like humans. They can walk, talk, and sometimes even show emotions through programmed facial expressions. It's pretty cool how humanoid robots bridge the gap between technology and human interaction. Military and defense robots have become a big deal in modern security systems. Things like drones, bomb disposal robots, and autonomous vehicles help reduce risks to human soldiers. They can operate in really dangerous environments where it just isn't safe for people. Agricultural robots are also changing the game in farming. They help with planting, harvesting, monitoring crops, and even herding livestock. This means better efficiency and sustainability in food production. And when it comes to space exploration, robotic technology is absolutely essential. Rovers like NASA's Perseverance are out there on Mars, collecting data and samples. Robots are able to handle tasks in environments that are just way too harsh for humans. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is basically what gives robots their decision-making abilities. AI lets robots learn from their environment, adapt to new situations, and even, improve as time goes on. Machine learning and deep learning are powering loads of advanced robots these days. Once they're programmed, autonomous robots can actually function without any human control. Like, self-driving cars are a perfect example. They use sensors, cameras, and AI to navigate. All of these technologies are really shaping the future of transportation. Robotic arms are honestly one of the most common types of robots you'll find in industries. They've got multiple joints, which gives them super precise movement in loads of different directions. This kind of flexibility makes them perfect for handling complex manufacturing tasks. Now, when we talk about swarm robotics, we're looking at a bunch of robots working together as a group. It's inspired by things in nature like ant colonies or bee swarms, where cooperation is key to reaching a shared goal. You'll find applications for this in everything from search and rescue missions to environmental monitoring. Robots have, surprisingly, moved into the world of art and creativity as well. Robotic systems can actually paint, compose music, and even write poetry. This really challenges the whole idea that creativity is something only humans have. But as robots become more capable, there are, some important ethical questions to consider. Issues like job displacement, privacy, and just who controls these autonomous systems all need to be addressed. So balancing innovation with responsibility is absolutely crucial. So, robotics education is becoming increasingly important these days. Schools and universities now offer robotics programs to prepare future engineers and scientists, Competitions like Robotics Olympiads really encourage young talent. The Internet of Things, or IoT, connects robots to wider networks. Through IoT, robots can communicate with other machines, gather data, and perform coordinated tasks. This kind of connectivity definitely enhances their usefulness in smart environments. So, soft robotics is actually a new field, right? And it focuses on flexible, adaptable robot designs. Made from materials like silicone and rubber, these soft robots can move a bit like animals or even plants. They're super useful in delicate tasks, such as medical procedures. Robotic prosthetics have, honestly, dramatically improved the lives of amputees. These advanced prosthetics can mimic natural limb movements using sensors and AI. This integration of robotics and healthcare really offers life-changing possibilities. Robot-assisted customer service is becoming more common these days. In airports, hotels, and malls, you'll find robots providing information, directions, and even check-in services. This, enhances efficiency and the overall customer experience. In entertainment, robots appear in movies, theme parks, and exhibitions. Animatronic characters actually bring stories to life through complex mechanical systems. These robots blend art and engineering in a pretty amazing way. Japan and South Korea are definitely leading when it comes to robotics innovation. Companies like Honda and SoftBank have developed famous robots such as Asimo and Pepper. Their technologies really influence global robotics trends. But despite all these advancements, robots still have limitations. Challenges like energy consumption, mechanical durability, and true human-like interaction still remain unsolved. Continued research and development are honestly necessary. In conclusion, robots are shaping the future across all sectors. From factories to homes, from hospitals to outer space, robots are expanding human capabilities. As technology evolves, the role of robots will only grow, blending science fiction with reality.